Hello guys, today we're gonna check the most viral lava cake life hack, and it got so many million views that you for sure gonna be impressed. The main topic of today's video is AI lava cake. Lava? Lava? Let me show you. Okay. Lava, lava. We're trying to bring attention. Let's just recreate it. It looks too realistic, I would say. Everything what we have to get is corn syrup, corn flour, of course the coloring, marshmallow, and lighter. Okay, this looks pretty satisfying. Mix all together, put coloring. It looks so saturated, isn't it? So beautiful. Marshmallow. I'm sure the size gonna get bigger under the heat. Oh my god! That looks amazing! Shall we try it? And we've got some corn syrup, which I made myself. Marshmallows I bought from the shop. The coloring, some corn flour, and of course I already created some mess. Just look at that! How I gonna clean it? All corn flour is now inside of my equipment. And of course, lighter. I'm so excited! Now let's mix it. Wow! I cannot stop doing it! It smells amazing, it feels amazing. I think we're ready for the next step. That's the time for corn flour. They didn't say, by the way, how much we're supposed to add. So I assume around maybe 2 tablespoons. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I cannot, this is too satisfying. ASMR life hack. There is a lot of balls now, and how are we supposed to remove them? Nobody said this is gonna be a problem. But you see how saturated the color become? Oh my god. So everything what we have to do is just keep mixing it. I cannot just explain how amazing the color is, but I think they're going away. I think it's perfectly working, and almost all the balls are actually gone. I still want to do some extra and remove them completely. Who would know that actually the corn flour are gonna saturate and increase the color and saturate the color and make it more bright, more beautiful. I love it. Now we have to pour our beautiful lava into this pot, into this tray. And now the next step. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to see it. It is beautiful. Let's take our marshmallows and open them. That's the time. Boink. Boink. And more marshmallows, then better. And that's the time to burn it down. Smells amazing. They have to be black. Woo! Come on. We have a little problem. Our lighter stopped working. But real life hacker always gonna find the solution. And what is the solution? That's the solution. I feel that's gonna be a long journey. Oh my god! You won't believe what I've actually found. And I think it's the stuff which is refilling. Please guys, I just hope it's gonna work. I never ever done something like this in my life. It's supposed to sound like this. Oh, but there's something is happening. Please work. No? Oh my god! I did it myself. What did we say? Real life hacker always gonna find a solution. We're only halfway through and I have to do this again. It smells like a gasoline. I think I already see clouds, different dimensions. I don't know by which wonder, this one finished already second time, so I have found another one accidentally when I was trying to find another gasoline for this lighter. So let's do it. Now you can ask me, Anna, what is next? And I'm gonna tell you that we have to make a special construction for our lava cake. First is gonna be the light, and second is this. Let's do it. First, we have to just take our light, put it on the tray. It must be transparent. After this, we put another plate. But why shall we do it? The answer is that I think light makes anything magical. I love it. Just take a look at that. I cannot. This is just too beautiful. And this is time to try it. That's insane.
This lava dessert has a perfect balance of sweet and sour flavors. Its texture is smooth, like melted candy, with Fanta flavor, while the toasted marshmallows have smoky flavor and not bitter at all, which is surprising.
I cannot explain. I am just obsessed. This is too satisfying. It's too beautiful. It is super different. You don't feel these burning parts. You know when you are making the marshmallow on the fire? If you're gonna eat it alone, you're gonna have just sugar shock for sure. Look, when you put some syrup on it, they become glittery. In reality, guys, could be such a cool addition to birthday, especially if you have young siblings or something. Everyone gonna be just obsessed with this. And thank you so much for watching. I'm very excited to try this viral life hack. And it's great because it worked even better than we could imagine. I can sit like 1 hour here and just continue doing what I'm doing. Please subscribe to this channel, support us, and I will see you very, very soon.